Nature. Nature, in the broadest sense, is the natural, physical, material world or universe. Nature can refer to the phenomena of the physical world and also to life in general within the various uses of the world. Today, nature often refers to geology and wildlife. Nature is a combination which everyone is familiar with as long as we are not asked to define it. This is normal. There is no consensus definition of it, and the term is rejected by most academic disciplines in both the sciences and the humanities, yet it says, and even better, it is eminently political and even more so at a time when the idea of